want to thank you for asking me out on the town. I'm expecting a phone call. Guess I'd better stick around. Why did you ask me? I thought you already knew. Betty Hand doesn't live here. Betty Hand and I are through. It's so nice of you to invite me, but you're just being kind. So please take a rain check this time. Many friends already called me and pretended not to know. One just called to invite me out to a show. A show might be just what I need. We could tell a joke or two if I can keep my mind on joking and forget that we are through. I don't feel like laughing. I've got so much on my mind. So please take a rain check this time.